Hi, I'm Brad Littlefield, Precision Product Marketing for CNH. Today we're talking about Blue White and New Holland, how we're working together, especially in the specialty crop business. So we're talking orchards, vineyards, and other permanent crops. Blue White is an autonomous aftermarket kit currently available for the T4110 and the T4120F models for New Holland. So we're talking doing autonomous features throughout the specialty market. That could be specialty spraying, specialty mowing, all autonomous. So we're talking no driver in the cab. It's a totally new system with using the LiDAR and some sensors in the front, along with the compass feature, which is an offline cloud-based system that's path planning, those kinds of things for a full fleet monitoring, where you can sit, one operator can sit in the office and manage the whole fleet all at once. So it's a fully autonomous, driverless solution that we are highlighting with New Holland today. This is something that will be coming to the market primarily as an aftermarket purchase in the near future. Hopefully, as we move forward into this relationship with Blue White and New Holland, that we'll see these vehicles ready coming from the factory fit with the option to have these aftermarket kits put on by your dealer. If you're looking for more information, please go to www.newholland.com.